Hello and welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to learn a trick to find a square of any two-digit number. So let's get started. Numbers highlighted in green, that is 1 to 25. Please try to by heart them. It's very easy. We are going to apply our trick in the next three sections, the yellow, blue and the orange one. For the number from 26 to 49, we have a trick n minus 25, 50 minus n the whole square. And for the number from 51 to 74, we have trick n minus 25. Second part is n minus 50 the whole square. You just see we have just changed it. And for 76 to 99, we have n minus distance from 100 and second other half is distance square. You will see this. Okay, we are going to find a square of number from 51 to 74. The formula is n minus 25 n 50 minus n square. Let's see the first one. Number from 26 to 49. We have a formula n minus 25 and 50 minus n the whole square. Okay, let's do a few examples. We will try for 29. To n minus 25, that is 4. And 50 minus n, that is 21. But the square of 21, as you know, is 441. So our square of 229 is 841. Always remember that whenever you will find the second half of the solution, in any case, it should not be more than 2 digit. If it is more than 2 digit, we are going to carry over. And I carried this 4 to this 4. So we get 481. 841, I'm sorry. Let's see some more example. Another example is, let me take 37. Okay, now n minus 25, that is 37 minus 25 is 12. I write 12 here. And 50 minus n is 13, right? 50 minus 37 is 13. And you know the square of 13 is 169. 169. Since again it is more than 3 digit, I am going to carry the other one. So my answer is 1369. You can verify anytime with your calculator. Let's take one more example. This time we take 42. Okay. 42 n minus 25. That is 42 minus 25 is 17. And 50 minus n. That is 50 minus 42 is 8. The square of 8 is 64. This time it is only 2 digits. So I'm going to write directly here. This is our answer. No need to carry here. Let me take one more example of this kind. Number 4. We have 48. Okay. N minus 25. That is 48 minus 25 is 23. And 50 minus n, that is 2. The square of 2 is 4. Now I need my answer in 2 digits. So I'm going to write here 0, 4. This is my square for 48. I hope you got this formula. Okay, second part is 51 to 74. The formula is n minus 25, n minus 50 the whole square. Let me take example 54. Okay, 54. 54 minus 25 is 29 and the square of 4, that is n minus 50. 54 minus 50, that is 4. The square of 4 is 16. So I'm going to write here 16. Quick. 58. n minus 25. 58 minus 25, 33. 8 square is 64. Done. 67. 42 to 89. Since the number is in 3 digit, I am going to carry over it. So I got 4, 4, 8, 9. 73. 48. 5, 2, 9. 53, 2, 9. That's it. Third part, 76 to 99. n minus distance from 100 and the other half is distance square. Let me explain with example. We will take 78. Now first find the distance from 100. The distance of 76 from 100 is, 78 from 100 is 22. It is 22 less. So my distance is 22. Now my concept is 78 minus 22 and the square of 22. 78 minus 22 is 56. Square of 22 is 484. It is going to be 6084. I hope it was easy. We are going to take another example, 84. In this case, distance from 100 is 16. So the solution will be like this, 84 minus 16 and the square of 16. That's it. It's very easy. Now it depends upon how fast you can do this. 84 minus 16 is 68. Square of 16 is 256, which is 7056. Let me do with one more example, and this time I'm going to do it very fast. 92. Answer is 8464. How come? Her distance from 100 is 8. 92 minus 8 is 84. And the square of 8 is 64. That's it. I hope you got value from this lecture. If you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.